Couponing with Tisa.
Hey guys, I am bringing you the Walgreens deals for this week. Sorry I missed it yesterday, but your girl had an appointment and I could not miss it. And it just is what it is. Plus the deals won't go nowhere, so I knew I had time to get out here today and bring you the deals before the stores were completely emptied out. I did get a digital spin booster of spend $35, get $8 back in Walgreens cash. So yeah, the deals are okay this week. A lot of laundry deals, so let's go ahead and get in the store and see what we can find.
First deal I'm bringing you guys is on the Scott products, the Scott toilet tissue and the paper towels. I had to zoom in because it's now 4 equals 7, but them things is real skinny. Nonetheless, they buy one get one half off, so that's $7.50. Plus we have a $1 digital coupon for both of them respectfully, so that's going to leave them at $2.75 each. This way we have two separate deals going on Colgate products. You'll see one of them is buy two, get $4 back. The other is buy two, get $4 back, but they have two separate prices as well. So the ones that are $4, that will be $8 picking up two. There's a 3 off of 2 digital coupon you can use, leaving you to pay $5, but you'll get back a $4 register reward. The other one is pretty much the same, except for they will be $10. And then they have a digital coupon as well that you can use. I think it's a 3 off of 2. And of course, you would get back the $4 register reward on that one as well. So it just really depends on what size that you want to get. If you want to get the $4 one or the $5 one size, both are good deals. Check your first aid area at my store. Things were marked down to 90%, like those face masks, other like gauze and Band-Aid products. Even the Walgreens brand was marked down as well. So check there. You see that was marked down to 43 cents. So good luck. Here's a deal going on the Pantene products. As you can see, they have various prices from $8 to $5 to $6. So I'm going to concentrate on the ones that are $5. You can pick up 2 of them and get back a $5 register reward. So picking up 2 at $5 each, which will be $10. We do have a digital coupon for $3, and you'll get back a $5 register reward, leaving them at just $2 or $1 each. The hair care deal going on this week is on the Tresemme products. Again, you can see they vary in cost as well. So I would concentrate on the ones that are at a cool $6 when you buy 2. With this deal, you will also get back a $5 register reward. So picking up 2 of these, it's going to be $12. There is a $5 digital coupon you can use, leaving you to pay $7, but get back the $5 register reward, leaves you at $2 or just $1 for each. Here's a deal I think is worth mentioning. Typically the vitamins are on sale, buy one get one free, which they are as well. But you guys, I think we really need to start stocking up, especially vitamin D, because a lot of us are very deficient. I know I am. I actually have a prescription vitamin D that I take, but you can pick up 2 and get 1 free. There's also a $3 digital coupon that you can use. So say you pick up the one that's at $27.99, using that $3 digital takes you down to $24.99, but you're getting 2, which will make them about $12.50 per bottle. So definitely recommend doing some of these vitamin deals. Speaking of vitamins, here's a deal on Centrum vitamins. Again, they vary in prices. So say if you pick up this women's one at $10.99, the women's 50 plus, they're buy one get one half off. Also, when you buy 2, you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So $10.99 divided by 2 is $5.50. So you'll end up paying about $16.48. There is a $3 digital coupon you can use in app. Plus you'll get back the $5 in Walgreens cash. Leaves you at about $8.49 for each for the boxes, or $4.24 for each. So that's a great deal considering they're normally $11 each. I swear every aisle I go down, something's on clearance. So you got these diabetic crew socks marked down to $3.39. You got some other things over in this area, like this diabetic dry skin by Gold Bond, marked down to $6.29. It has a $1.50 rebate offer on Ibotta on my account, which would take it down to $4.79. So If you know someone that is diabetic, or if you're diabetic yourself, definitely check out this aisle in Walgreens for some clearance and markdowns. I keep finding this hand sanitizer on sale, you guys. I like this Perel here. It's marked down to $1.49. It has a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, which takes it down to just 74 cents. Y'all, this thing was originally $5.79. Definitely picking this up and maxing it out because it's only two left. Really great deal on the Nivea body wash. They're on sale this week. You can see this was on sale for $10 and these are on sale for $5. Both are part of the promotion. When you spend $15, you're going to get back a $5 Walgreens cash credit. So picking up two of them, one at $10, one at $5, brings your total to $15. We also have a $4 digital coupon that is attaching to them, leaving you to pay $11, but you're going to get back the $5 in Walgreens cash, leaving you at just $6 or $3 each. Of course, if you want to do the women's one, you can do it. It's basically mix and match because that $4 rebate is attaching to both. So say you want to pick up the big men's one and then the smaller women's one, not so small, it's 20 ounces. That'll be $16, so you'll pay $1 more. So just mix and match and do whatever is best for you in your household. All right, guys, the get 5 when you spend 20 in P&G products is back. So you have some of the pods that are on sale for $12.99. You have some that are on sale for $15.99, those big body ones. But let me show you guys the deal that we're so used to, which is on the promotion. When you buy 4, you'll get back a $5 register reward. So let me show you guys a couple of products that you can pick up. All 4 of these products is going to bring your total to $21.96. Each one of them has a $1.50 digital coupon. So I have a $1.50 digital for the flings. I have a $1.50 digital for the Gain Liquid. I have a $1.50 digital for the Tide Pods. And I have a $1.50 digital for the Tide Liquid. That's going to leave me to pay $15.96, but getting back a $5 register reward, guys, leaves that at just $10.96 or $2.74 for each product. That is a phenomenal deal. Arm & Hammer products are on sale this week. At least these big ones are. The 5-in-1 power packs, well, the 14 count one, they're buy one get one free at $8.29 each. The little bottles, they're also buy one get one free. Definitely think you should hold off on that. Wait till they're buy one get two free. If you really love game products, and here's a deal I would recommend doing. They're on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $5 register reward. You're looking for the 31 count of the pods, plus you're looking for the 2.6 liter or 88 ounces of the liquid. And picking these 2 products up is going to bring your total to $19.98, but we have a couple of $3 digital coupons, one on the liquid, and we have one for the flings as well. That's going to leave you to pay $13.98, getting back a $5 register reward, leaving them at $8.98 or $4.47 for each. There's also another deal going on with P&G products that I'm going to show you guys. They're on sale for $4.49, and when you buy 4, you'll get back a $5 register reward. So these 4 products right here are what you want to concentrate on. Picking them all up at $4.49 each for all 4 of them would be $17.96. But we have a couple of digital coupons you can use. This Gang has a $1 digital coupon. This Bounce has a $1 digital coupon, and there's one that's attached to both the Downy and the Unstoppable, so you'll only get that $1 once, leaving you to pay $14.96, but getting back the $5 register reward leaves you at just $9.96 or $2.49 for each. The deal is back on the Gain Easy Squeeze, which is also the same deal as the Dawn little baby ones, but you can see the store is out at $1.24. So you could pick up 2 of these at $1.99 each. Picking up 2 is going to bring you to $3.98, but you'll get back that $1 register reward for picking up 2, leaves you at $2.98 or just $1.49 for each. If you're not attached to name brand items, you can pick up the Walgreens brand. The dish soap is $1.99. Dryer sheets are on sale this week too for $5. We have disinfectant products that are on sale for $1.99 as well. Plus you'll get 5% back in Walgreens cash. So just look for that. You also have their brand of what's called what would be the Fabuloso for $1.99. And I see this toilet bowl cleaner down here as well for $1.99. And also check out the complete home trash bags on sale for $1.99. And if you love Febreze products, here's a deal. You can pick up 3 of them marked for $3.29. That's going to be $9.87. But there is a digital coupon we have for $3.30 off of 2. That's going to leave you to pay $6.57. But if my store is not marked, you're going to get a $3 register reward, you guys, leaving these at $3.57 or $1.99 for each. If you're in need of some paper products, here is a deal you can do. Again, this store is not marked, but there is a register reward offer that's available, so you can pick up one of these. 4 equals 8 for $11.99. Actually pick up both of them at $11.99 each. That's going to bring your total to $23.98. We do have a lonely little 50-cent digital coupon you can use, so you'll pay $23.48, but you're going to get back a $5 register reward for that P&G deal that I told you guys about. When you spend 20, get 5 back. Plus, you should also get back a $4 register reward, leaving them at $14.48 for both, or $7.24 for each roll, which isn't too bad, but too rich for my blood. All right, guys, so here is everything that I decided to pick up for my haul for this week, because it's products that I need for my household. I'm also going to use my digital spin booster, spend $35, get $8 back in Walgreens cash, because this account is completely depleted of Walgreens cash and I need to build that back up. Plus, I'm going to use this $5 one when you spend 20 that I found on the ground. Thank you for whoever left that. And 2 other $4 register rewards that I had from previous purchases to help lessen my out-of-pocket. So let's go check out, see how it all turns out. All right, guys, so I'm a little annoyed because they will only let me use 1 of my register rewards to help lessen my out-of-pocket, but it is what it is. So here are the Scott products, the Colgate, the Tide, the Gain products. I had them scan my spin booster, that paper one that I found on the ground. The one manufacturer register reward came off, and then it looks like all of my digitals came off. Not sure what that $3 digital was for. Oh, that was for the toothpaste. And then all the $1.50s for the Game products, and then the $2 ones for the Scott and the well, both of the Scott products. So $22.46 before tax, $24.71 after tax. I did get back $13.37 in Walgreens cash. I got back the $8 and the $5. And I got back the $9 in register rewards. So once it was all said and done with my register rewards and everything I got back, and the Walgreens cash left everything at $6.34, you guys. That is a phenomenal deal. So definitely get in the stores this week. Do some of these deals. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social network accounts, you guys. My social media accounts, you guys. What? Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And God bless. Peace out.